Alright, what we have here is a Cobra 29 LTD Classic. It was built February of 2013, so it is new. There's no scratches. There's really no blemishes on it. It's in really good condition. It has been modified with all blue LED and nitro knobs and echo, which is a delta tune right there. Now I have installed in the back a knob, and that knob is to adjust the brightness of the nitro knobs. Installed especially for truckers that drive at night. It's a little bright. You can turn it down. Works very well. Echo, as I will demonstrate, it does have TALKBACK.
Audio. Hello.
It's pretty loud. You can adjust it how you want it.
Audio. Test. 1.
You can go to the extremes.
Hello. Audio.
As you can see. I preferably like it back a little off a little bit.
Hello.
A little bit more.
Audio. Test. Hello. Audio test. Hello. Audio test. 1, 2.
Radio gets out very well.
Audio.
Works very well. Comes with a bracket, mic clip, mic, which is a brand new Cobra, and a power cord. What you see is what you get. And somewhere around here, I do have the box that the radio came in. Works very well. I'm going to post it, buy it now. Nitro knobs, blue channels, blue meter, echo has just been installed a few days ago.
Audio test. Audio.
Works very well. It'll be sold as is. No warranties, no returns. It is what it is. It's in perfect working condition. It is in new condition. It's been taken out of the box new and modified. The buy now price is going to be high. But it's well worth it and guaranteed not to be DOA.